Victory is golden, Alexander.
Good one, JOE-PYE. Thanks for coming. Let me introduce you to Black-Eyed Susan and Blue Flag Iris.
Iris! You can call me Susan.
Let me get that.
Hello, Blakes.
English Ivy? Who invited English Ivy? She's so invasive.
Did you hear what she did to the fences and walls? Completely wrecked.
That's not the worst of it. She killed Sweet Bay Magnolia. So dangerous and destructive.
Get over here.
Get your vines off of me! You're smothering me!
I know, it's what I do. Oh, sun chips. What, no crumpets?
Stop it! You're hogging the resources. We need food too. She's gonna run us dry.
She's so aggressive.
What are you doing?
The bugs you have here are dreadful.
No, stop! They're pollinators, and we all need the pollinators.
That's my jam!
I get knocked down, but I get up again, cause you're never gonna keep me down. I get knocked down, but I get up again, cause you're never gonna keep me down.
We have to get her out of here before she spreads.
I'm calling security.
Keep me down, I get knocked.
Hey, somebody call security here. English Ivy.
Oh, come on, Governor. What's the bloody big deal? People invite me to their houses all the time.
Yeah, well, people plant Bradford pears too, but nobody likes them either. Let's go. I'm getting you out of here before you put down roots.
No! No!
Okay, let's party. Turn it up.
I get knocked down, but I get up again. You're never gonna keep me down. I get knocked down, but I get up again. You're never gonna keep me down. I get knocked down, but I get up again. You're never gonna keep me down. I get knocked down, but I get up again. You're never gonna keep me down.